Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. Today we have Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and I'm going to show you how to maximize the speed of the processing speed of the phone. So in order to do that, we can get into the settings. In the settings you will find device care. In the device care you will find processing speed. Tap on processing speed. Here we have three options and this phone is already on maximum speed, so that's why it's draining the battery. So I'm gonna keep this phone on optimize so the phone can use less power. But in case if you need maximum speed of this phone, you can choose maximum speed of this phone. So this processor will require a lot of power when you choose this maximum speed. So just keep that in mind. It will drain your battery power, but it is very good for short-term use when you need to do something and the phone will be on the maximum speed. So that's how you choose the phone on to be on maximum speed.